Get ready to supercharge your wealth with AI. Welcome to AI Wealth Boost, where we bring you the latest and greatest in AI-powered wealth management. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future. The world had never seen anything like it before. Google had just announced the release of PaLM-E, a new generalist robotics model that had an unprecedented 562 billion parameters. This robot was unlike anything that had been seen before. The team behind it had managed to make a robot that could perform complex tasks without the need for constant retraining. They had built a robot that could learn and adapt on its own, without the need for human intervention. As the news spread, people around the world were stunned by the sheer scale of the achievement. It wasn't just the number of parameters that made this robot so impressive. It was the fact that it could handle real-world scenarios with ease, even when faced with minor disturbances. To demonstrate the robot's capabilities, the Google team asked it to bring them some rice chips from a drawer. The robot handled the task with ease, picking up the chips and bringing them to its human handler. As the footage of the robot went viral, people began to realize just how revolutionary this technology was. For years, scientists had been trying to build robots that could learn and adapt on their own, without the need for constant human input. Now, Google had done just that. They had built a robot that was truly intelligent, a robot that could think for itself. But why was this such a big deal? The answer was simple. With a robot like this, you could put it to work in any number of industries. You could use it to perform complex tasks that had previously been impossible for machines to handle. You could use it to revolutionize manufacturing, transportation, and logistics. In short, you could use it to change the world. As the Google team explained on their research blog, PaLM-E was a breakthrough in the field of robotics. They had achieved this by transferring knowledge from text and visual domains to a physical robot. They had taken all the great knowledge they had gathered from data and put it into a robot. This was the future of robotics, a future where machines could learn and adapt on their own, without the need for constant human input. The demo of PaLM-E was truly incredible. The robot was able to perform long-horizon tasks that involved multiple planning steps and visual feedback from its camera. It could even perform tasks that it had never been trained on before. In one example, the robot was asked to push red blocks to a cup. The dataset only contained 3 demonstrations with the cup in them, none of which included the red blocks. But the robot was able to complete the task with ease, showing that it could generalize and adapt to new situations. But the most incredible thing about PaLM-E was its speed. The robot was able to plan and execute complex tasks at lightning speed, far faster than any human could. This was the future of robotics, a future where machines could work faster and more efficiently than humans ever could. As the world looked on in awe, it was clear that this technology was going to change the world. With robots like PaLM-E, the possibilities were endless. Industries would be transformed, jobs would be created, and the world would be a better place. It was a brave new world, one where humans and machines would work together to achieve great things. But there were those who were wary of this new technology. They feared that robots like PaLM-E would take over jobs that were traditionally done by humans. They worried that these machines would become too intelligent, that they would become a threat to humanity itself. But the Google team was quick to reassure the world that this was not the case. They explained that robots like PaLM-E were designed to work alongside humans, not replace them. They were designed to perform tasks that were too complex or too dangerous for humans to handle. They were designed to make the world a better place. As the debate raged on, one thing was clear. The world was entering a new era of technological advancement. The development of PaLM-E was just the beginning. The possibilities for robotics were endless, and the future was full of promise. But as with any new technology, there were also risks and challenges. It was up to society as a whole to ensure that these technologies were developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. As the world embraced the future of robotics, it was important to remember that ultimately, it was up to humans to decide how to use these powerful tools for the betterment of society. Thanks for tuning in. Let's boost your wealth with AI. Subscribe now for the ultimate edge.